A little bit of a break spine on my baby daddy, and now it's time to feed our mini sourdough starter that we created yesterday. So if you recall yesterday, we put 1/2 teaspoon of water and 1.5 teaspoons of flour because it ultimately ended up equaling like right around the same grams. So this is what we look like after 24 hours or a little over 24 hours. So we're gonna discard half of this and we're gonna feed it again. Again, remember the bottom of the jar was 187, I know it's backwards, but 187 grams. So I know that I need to discard half of this, weigh it out. First, I'm just gonna weigh it to see how much is in here in comparison to the jar. So it hits 195. So that is a total of 8 grams. So I'm gonna take out 4 and then we're gonna feed it. Now we've taken out half, and so now we're gonna go ahead and feed it. We're gonna do again 4 grams of water and 5 grams of flour. Great, and now we're just gonna stir. And again, this is just to prove to you that you can create your own sourdough starter from scratch without having to use a ton of flour and water. Because we see it so many times that people are out here learning from other people, right? And you can't fault it, but they're teaching you that you have to have a 1/2 cup, 3/4 of a cup of flour and water and all that mess in order to create a sourdough starter. And then about a week or 2 in it, you're getting frustrated because your sourdough starter isn't active yet and you feel like you have literally wasted a crap ton of flour and it just makes absolutely no sense. All right, so there you go. That is day 2 feed of our teeny tiny sourdough starter. So follow along again as we feed it and come back tomorrow afternoon and feed it for day 2 of creating a teeny tiny sourdough starter.